Looking for the best digital oscilloscope multimeter in 2025? In this video, we're reviewing 5 top-rated tools side by side. From signal generators to waveform capture, we'll help you choose the right one for your needs. Stay tuned for our comparison chart and final verdict at the end. Number 1, TOOLTOP T2010A. This handy 2-in-1 oscilloscope and multimeter is a great entry-level tool for DIYers and technicians. It offers a 1 MHz bandwidth and 2.5 megasamples per second, perfect for checking waveforms in low-frequency circuits. It also features a full digital multimeter, measuring voltage, current, resistance, and more. The compact design and built-in battery make it highly portable, and its clear screen makes reading waveforms quick and easy. While it lacks higher-end functions like signal generation or dual channels, it's great for students or beginners needing a lightweight and budget-friendly tool. Number 2, ZOYI ZT703S. This 3-in-1 powerhouse includes a dual-channel oscilloscope, precision multimeter, and signal generator, making it a true all-rounder. Whether you're building, testing, or troubleshooting, this device gives you everything you need in a single package. The signal generator can simulate different waveforms for circuit input testing, while the oscilloscope lets you monitor 2 channels simultaneously. It's perfect for intermediate to advanced users, offering detailed measurements, a fast refresh rate, and user-friendly controls. Ideal for electronics hobbyists and professionals who want more control and performance without spending a fortune. Number 3, ZOYI 102 LLCR Multimeter. Unlike the others, this tool is designed for precise measurement of inductance, capacitance, and resistance. It's an essential tool for checking passive components in circuit repair or design. With fast auto-ranging and a crisp digital display, it's easy to operate and very reliable for component-level testing. However, it does not include oscilloscope or signal generation functions, so it's best used alongside a standard scope. Great value if your focus is on component analysis. Number 4, FNIRSI 2C23T. This is a professional grade 3-in-1 tool combining a dual-channel oscilloscope, signal generator, and 9999 count multimeter. It boasts an impressive 50 megasiemens per second sampling rate, 10 MHz bandwidth, and clear waveform visuals, ideal for high-precision diagnostics. The signal generator allows you to test input behavior in real time, while the multimeter handles nearly every measurement type, AC/DC voltage, resistance, frequency, and more. Perfect for engineers or advanced users who want a compact yet high-functioning device. Checkmark one of the most powerful and well-rounded tools on this list. Number 5, ANENG 2. A smart and modern solution for students, technicians, and electronics repairers. With 10 MHz bandwidth, waveform storage, and NCV, non-contact voltage, detection, it blends convenience and safety. The built-in multimeter measures everything from voltage and current to frequency, resistance, and capacitance. It's auto-ranging and super easy to use, even for beginners. Though it doesn't have dual channels or the highest sample rate, it's ideal for most general electronic diagnostics. A reliable mid-range tool with a strong feature set. Here's a quick side-by-side comparison. From bandwidth to signal generation, each tool offers unique strengths. If you're just starting out, the TOOLTOP T2010A or ZOYI ZT703S are great choices. For serious testing and advanced diagnostics, the FNIRSI 2C23T leads the pack with its high sampling rate, dual channels, and built-in signal generator. Choose based on your needs, from budget tools to pro-level features. If this helped you pick the right digital oscilloscope, hit like and subscribe for more smart tech reviews. Let us know in the comments, which one would you choose? Thanks for watching.